Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So we are doing an unboxing today, and I've just been so overwhelmed with all the generosity, all the kindness, all the gifts that I get, and somehow, some way, there's more generosity bestowed upon me, more gifts being sent my way. I am just over the moon, overwhelmed, super, super, super gracious. I don't even know if I can put into words the gratitude that I have for you guys, because you guys make this whole channel possible. You make so many unboxings possible. You guys just have really, really added a lot of value to my life, both monetarily and emotionally, because makes you feel appreciated when you just get sent all of these amazing shoes. But let's go ahead and get into the ones that I have today that are part of the usual, a gift from one of my subscribers. Now, this particular person wanted to make sure I had something semi-practical to wear because I tend to babysit for one of my relatives, and when you're babysitting, you have to be able to really roll with the punches. You have to have freedom of movement. I like to say you have to be able to run, dodge, dip, dive, and dodge. So I'm just stealing it from Dodgeball. If you've seen the movie, you know exactly what reference I'm talking about. And if you've seen maybe the thumbnail and the title of this video, you will know what is about to be before you out of this box. So one of my subscribers paved my ability to be able to get these, and I will just be forever overwhelmed, grateful, over the moon, because the generosity just, I don't even know how to put it in words. But let me go ahead and take one of these out of the box so that way I'm less likely to fight with the dust bag. I wasn't about to take these out of the dust bags preemptively because these are a box leather, and if you know anything about Hermès box leather, it is delicate. It gets beat up easily. So I'm trying to take care of my shoes. I try and take decent care of my shoes. I'm not perfect, but I do try. Now here is one of them in this amazing box leather. I've never actually encountered Hermes box leather before I realized that this was box. So I kind of like getting a nice up close personal look at that super, super, super fine grain. I don't know, I'm into different kind of leathers. It fascinates me, especially at Hermes, which is the creme de la creme of leathers in the high-end luxury fashion game. But let's get back into the actual shoe. I don't know the exact height of this heel, but if I had to wager a guess, I would say it's an 85 millimeter. I'll probably have to go and measure these to figure that out. Now, these also come with that signature Kelly clasp buckle thing, detail, whatever you want to call it. But it's literally just for decoration, because on the other side, what do you got? A big old zipper. So these are definitely easy on, easy off, which is music to my ears, because if you know me, you're familiar with me, you know that I have been selling a lot of shoes that I do not find easy on, easy off. So these are more than great having the zipper on the side for me. Let's go ahead and get its friend out from the bag. I'm gonna set this guy down to get this guy out, because I don't care to make jump cuts around here. I am not that kind of girl. So we're just gonna go about it the slow and patient way. Now here is the other one. These I anticipate I will be getting loads and loads of use come around fall, winter. It's a tad hot for ankle boots in SoCal right now, but come fall, winter, which will be coming before I even know it, since it's already like late July as of filming this, I will be getting loads of use out of these. Now, if you are an individual watching this for sizing, and my cat who just came into frame moments ago. And then I will give my spiel. Hermes shoes have a tendency to size incredibly small. Now, I'm familiar with luxury fashion houses sizing their shoes ridiculously small as it is. Everyone gripes about Louboutin and their sizing and how it's always go up, up, up whenever people have their recommendations for sizing. Now, these, I am a true to size 36. I went with a 36 and a half. Now, the reason I did that is because I initially asked for a 37, knowing that Hermes likes to size everything ridiculously teeny tiny. But they didn't have a 37, so I said, okay, well, maybe I could try on the 36 and a half. So my sales associate brought these puppies out. I tried them on with the little nylon socks that they give you, and the little nylon socks worked out. So I told my husband, I said, go ahead and order me a little package of those nylon socks, and that's what I'm gonna use to wear these, because a big thick sock is just not gonna be cut out for these. And to be honest, I really don't want these to break into a point where this amazing toe box gets marred and you start to kind of see the outline of your foot and your toes sticking out. I don't really want that, so I don't want the leather to stretch that much on me. Now, who's to say whether or not these will prove comfortable? I don't know. I have not worn them out yet, but we shall see. Now, this may not be the most exciting unboxing for you all, but it's particularly exciting for me because if you know me, you watch every video regardless of what it is, you should know that I have a particular affinity for Hermes. So right before I try them on, if you have not already, I'd appreciate the likes, comments, subscribes, all that fun stuff. If you'd like to further support me, I'm trying to reach 10,000 followers on TikTok for obvious reasons. If you would like to further support me, there is always Patreon starting at $3 a month. And if that isn't enough for you, you want to figure out another way to support me, my Poshmark closet is linked down below. But other than that, I hope you guys like this video, and let's go ahead and try some shoes on. Bye!